Hi guys, it's Deb here with Creative Life, and welcome to day 4 of our 12 Days of Christmas series. So, oh my gosh, you guys, this has been so fun, and we are only on day 4, and so today we're going to be making something really cool, and it's kind of unique. I did see it on Pinterest. You know, Pinterest is, and I'm sure it's yours too, but I love going to Pinterest because you get so many ideas, and not only can you kind of grab their ideas, but you can build off of those ideas. So today I found something that was really cool that you can use some sticks from your own tree, just in your own backyard or your front yard. So just taking a walk around the block or whatever you want. I only picked up about let's see here. There's six. Let's see, 9. I think there's 9 or 10 sticks in all together, and they're fairly pretty hefty. I just went in my front yard and pulled them off my tree. So these measure about 14 inches long, and I think they're going to be great for our project. So again, you're just going to need some sticks that are about 14 inches long, okay? You'll need 3 candles, and I'm going to use these 3 little candles that were gifted to me last year. So I'm going to go ahead and use all 3, even though they're different colors. I think that it still look cute. You can use 3 of the same color if you want, and you can even use these little tiny ones that you can find like at the dollar store or, you know, over at Walmart. You know, you can find those anywhere. And then you're going to need 3 circles, okay? And I punched the chipboard first, and then I'm going to put holographic paper that I have in my stash. And my circle punch is 2.5, so you'll just need 3 of those, and I'm just going to cover the tops with this holographic paper that I had in my stash. And then you're going to need some twine, and for some reason I have no idea what I did with my twine, but I cannot find it. So I found these little green kind of burlappy strings, so I'm going to use these. And then maybe some berries. You can use some berries, some pine cones, and then there's some little berries and stuff in here. So, and then I found this little bird here that was in my stash, and I thought he hasn't been used yet, so I'm going to definitely use him. So and then of course you can always add, you know, some other things that you've got in your stash. I have these flowers that I purchased and some of these hollies. I don't really know what I'm going to be using. Also found these berries that I had in my stash for I don't know how long I've had these, a long time, because they're from Prima, and I don't think they even make these anymore or sell them. I haven't seen them, so I know I've had these at least 2 years. So okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and grab all of your sticks together, okay? And you want them pretty flat, okay, or straight. You don't want them kind of like all wonky and everything. So so you do want them kind of, you know, pretty straight. So I'm just going to put mine together like this. Now you can glue them. I thought about gluing them together, so I don't know if they'll stay, but we will find out, right? So I'm just going to use those. I'm going to go ahead and put that together like that. All right, I have to grab another glue stick here. So I am going to go ahead and let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and put one here, okay, because you want to build this up, all right? So we need to have one here. So we're going to put that there like that, and put these on top. And like I said, I don't I don't know if in the the inspiration that I got this from did not have a video, so I don't know if she glued hers together or not. I don't know. Okay, so this can go right here in our figure. And we could just put some glue in through there. And I don't know if it's sticking or not, y'all. I really don't know. We will see here. So yeah, so there's that. Okay, and then this guy, I don't know if I want him there. This guy can go here, I think. Right there. Yep, just like that. And you're just gonna build them up. That's, you know, just kind of build them up a little bit, you know. And so that's going to go like that. I'm also going to tie them together, so yeah, so they'll be tied together. So that can go there, just like that. Okay. This guy is going to go up here. Just like that. And I'm going to turn this one around so I can glue this together. And I, you know, thought this would like be super cute on a mantle or as your centerpiece. So if you wanted it to be a centerpiece, you could definitely do that. The one that the lady had on there, or whoever posted it, I don't even know the name because it was in German. So they just kind of, I think they just, they had it on their table, so. Okay, just like that. And then this guy here, I know he's kind of wonky, but I really like him. Don't know if I'm going to be able to fit him on here. And what you want to achieve here is you want to try to achieve a flat kind of space, okay? So that way your candle little holders, these little guys, can lay up here, okay? You don't want a lot of sticks that are bent. So I think I'm not going to be able to use him, you guys. I think I'm done because I really need this to be. Then this is kind of flat. So yeah, so this is perfect, just like this. Okay. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm just using my art glitter glue to attach my paper to my circle here. To the holograph paper that I've got. And I'm not going to do a backing on these, okay? I'm just going to set them just like this. Okay, so and I'm hoping that these stay. So I am going to mount them on here. I'm going to glue these on here just like this. Okay. And I want them like that. Okay, but before we do that, okay, I want to go ahead and tie these together. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 4 little strings here. Okay, I'm just going to grab 4 of these, and I am going to go ahead and tie these together. So I just think that this looks so cute. Now, she or whoever posted the little thing on their Pinterest, they used burlap or the twine, but like I said, I can't find mine. I have no idea where mine is at. So I just thought this would be so cute, especially on top of a mantle, or even, you know, even on a table. How cute would this be? Just something, you know, simple, easy peasy. Okay, so there's that. All right, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab our little things here. Okay, and I'm going to put this one here, so I know I want that one there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to add some glue to that. I'm just going to glue that up really good. Okay, and I'm just going to lay that right there, just like that. I'm going to turn this around, and I'm going to go ahead and put this one here. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead again. I'm just going to totally put glue on that. Okay, let's scoot that over just a bit. And then this one here. I want these little strings kind of showing over this way. So I'm going to try to scoot this down a little bit. Now this one's going to be too close to this. So I'm going to try to take this off of here. And I'm going to scoot that down. I'm going to put this one here first and then put the middle one down last. So I can gauge it like in the middle of these a little bit better. So I'm going to put that down just like that. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to re-glue this here. And that's going to go right there, so that way it's in the middle. Yay! Okay. All right. So now we've got, look at it, oh my gosh, so cute. So now we can put our little candles on here. Look at how cute that is, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is turning out too cute. So excited. And I should have taken off the plastic, but I didn't. I forgot. Now, you know, you don't want to burn these or burn this, you know, your candles while you're gone or something. Just have to explain the safety so you guys, you know, are okay and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right in the middle there. Okay. Oh my gosh, these candles smell so good, you guys. And I had them like for a whole year. I got them as a gift last year. So I forgot that I had them. And I'm just going to go ahead and like that. Oh, it's melting underneath here. Okay, there we go. And next is the green one. I'm just going to put that there. And just put that right in the middle, you guys. Right like that. Okay, now here is where you can stop, you know, if you want it. If you want it to just be plain, to be like a little rustic look or whatever, you don't have to go forward with anything else. If you wanted to, you could definitely add, you know, a little bird. I thought he was like super cute, so I thought I might add him on here, but I'm not quite sure if that's really what I want to do. If I add him, I want to add him like, I don't know, somewhere on the end maybe. And I also need to find out which way I like this best, which I think I kind of like it this way because I feel like I have more of a rusted look. So I kind of like it like this. So I'm going to go ahead and work on it like this. And then I'm just going to go ahead. Okay guys, so now this is the point where I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fast forward through the decorating part of this video. Okay guys, I think that is it. Super simple, easy, and I like it. It's you know, not there's not a lot of bling or anything on it, which I'm fine with, but look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh, it turned out so stinking cute, you guys. I absolutely love it. And I still could add you know, I could add some little what are these, cinnamon sticks. I can add some little cinnamon sticks here and there if I wanted, just to give it a little bit more of a filler, you know. So I can add that there, right there. And this little guy is so cute. Oh my gosh, he is so cute. Just absolutely love him. Okay guys, and we are done. So I'm just going to add a little bit of a filler right here, using these little cinnamon sticks. But we are pretty much done. Okay, so that is easy peasy. So super simple, not a lot of fuss, you know, and easy to make because you can use the items that you have in your stash from the dollar store, you know, from whatever you have laying around. So yeah, so there we go. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little tutorial and a little share. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you guys get to try to make one of these. And you know, if you do, you can hop on over to Mad Crafting Skills and post all your items that you make. I would love to see all of the items that you make from the series. Okay, just go ahead and tag me. Okay, thank you so much for joining me, y'all, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.